In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Claude AI quickly and easily. If you've just created an account or you're coming back after a break, this will help you log in without any confusion. And before we get started, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Claude.ai login. This is the official Claude login page, and it's where you'll begin the sign-in process. Once the page loads, you'll see the login options on your screen. If you signed up using your email and password, go ahead and enter your mail address and your password in the fields provided. Double check that both details are typed correctly so you don't run into any login issues. After that, click the login button to continue. If you created your Claude account using Gmail, there's an even faster option. Simply click Continue with Google. This will connect your Claude account to your Google account and save you from typing a separate password. Once you click that option, a Google account selection window will appear. From there, choose the Google account that you used when you signed up for Claude AI. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct one so you can log into the right profile. After you select the account, Claude will automatically verify your login and take you into your dashboard. At that point, you're fully signed in and ready to start using Claude AI. From here, you can begin asking questions, generating content, or exploring the tools available inside the platform. So that's the full process for signing in to Claude AI. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to go and which login method to use. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more Claude AI guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.